Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Take 3 deep breaths using a 4-4-6 pattern to slow your heart and clear adrenaline. Once done, plant feet flat and drop your shoulders. Posture changes body chemistry and reduces panic. Make sure to scan the room and silently name 3 objects to move attention from thought loops to concrete details. This rapid sequence interrupts the spiral and gives you a physiological baseline. Do it discreetly under the desk or when the instructor pauses, so you regain control quickly. Once you have baseline calm, sustain it with micro breaks. Every 5-10 minutes, take a 10 to 15-second refocus, breath, feet, and one-word cue like steady. This prevents escalation when an anxious thought enters. Make sure to chunk class tasks into 5-10-minute segments so your brain sees progress rather than a looming hole. When you complete a chunk, give yourself a tiny mental reward that reinforces focus and lowers anticipatory anxiety, making the rest of class more manageable and efficient. As class ends, do a quick reset. Note one success and one thing to adjust next time. This reframes the experience and builds confidence. Once done, stand and stretch for 30 to 60 seconds to discharge residual tension before heading to your next activity. If you experience a spike of panic, make sure to use the 4-4-6 breath and, if needed, step into a hallway for a 2-minute pause. This troubleshooting step prevents escalation and keeps your progress intact for future classes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.